Hello, welcome back to my channel again, InitialOfEarn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel, only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day. Hello and assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. First of all guys, if you're not registered on my channel, subscribe my channel, just go to subscribe button and click the bell button for more notifications. And you can also check out my new recent videos that are uploaded in the channel. There is a golden tea, it's the most amazing site ever. You just simply click on the this video and check out this. It's like a Google. There is Google never pay you, but the free search will pay you this time. So you can earn this PRE token from this site and you can redeem on your any exchange. And the last one video is that win up to $150 free in Dogecoin. This is the most amazing site that is paying since Bitcoin launched. And let me go to this typing now. I will talk about Moonbitcoin.cash. What is this? Let's go to the review. So if you guys not yet registered on this site, just simply copy this link and click you can also click on that, but you can also copy and paste into your browser URL and just search it and wait for 5 seconds. Just click on deny and wait for 5 seconds. The time running out and you'll see the button skip this ad button and simply click on this and you will get your website. Okay, so the referral number must be like this. Okay, so guys, this is Moonbitcoin.cash is the Bitcoin Cash faucet. You can earn Bitcoin Cash from this faucet. This is a highly paying faucet. So the Bitcoin Cash faucet where you decide when to claim. Okay, so you can also join them with Twitter and Facebook page. Okay, so what is Mooncash? Mooncash is a Bitcoin Cash faucet, but with the difference you decide how often to claim, whereas most faucets only allow you to claim once per hour or once per day. We allow you to claim as often and as little as you like. The faucet will gradually fill up quickly initial, but it will show down over time until you make a claim. So the longer you have leave it, the more you will be able to claim. Okay, so you may prefer to claim a smaller amount every 5 minutes, so or visit once per day and claim the larger amount that has built up to. You can also guys claim after 5 minutes, or you whatever you decide. You can also claim after a day. So and the larger amount you will be saved that has built up while you are away. And the minimum 5 minutes between claim per account guys, you must have to alert you, just have to make an account, only one account on one IP address. Okay, how much can I claim? Click here to view the current rate. Okay, if you click here you will see the chart of rate. The table below show the claim rate at 2019. If you claim after a 5 minute you will get 0.000022. okay, and if you claim after 10 minutes you will get 40 dash coins. And if you click on if you claim after 15 minutes you will get 54. And if you claim after a 30 minutes you will claim 83. And if you claim after a 1 hour you will get 118 dash coin. And if you claim after 4 hours you will get 211 coins. And if you claim after 1 day you will get 370. okay, and if you claim after 4 days and you will get your reward 525, and if you claim after 1 week you will get 595 coins, and if you claim after 4 week you will get 787. Okay, you just close it, and if you see how much can I claim, click here. Okay, and you can increase your claim amount by up to 30% by taking advantages of the daily loyalty bonus. Okay, referral bonus, mystery bonus schemes. How much are my earning paid? Moon Cash uses coinpaid for instant payment of your earning. Guys, where is coin part? So just simply click on it. So I have already created my coin part account. You can also have to create, if you guys want to see all of your progress, you can you must have to create this coin part account, and you can see all the progress of your Moon faucets. Okay, so the Bitcoin it probably with Bitcoin Core, Bitcoin Cash, and Dogecoin, Litecoin, Dashcoin. Okay, so let's go to this Faucet now, and now we will see how to sign up here. Okay, so the process is simple. It's simple like other faucets like Moonbitcoin.in, Moon-dash.co.in, Moonlight, and Moon-dash.co.in, and the last one is Moonbitcoin.cash. That is okay. So just you have to use your best Gmail ID to sign up. Okay, and Gmail ID must be linked with your Bitcoin Cash wallet address. Okay, so just simply click on this sign in button and put your email address there, and simply click on this I am not a robot, and just simply click on sign in, and you will be signing as your Gmail address. Okay, the first option is Faucet, and that is and the second is Referral. Guys, this option is very good, guys. The referral is mostly used to refer your friends. Okay, the referral commission is 25 lifetime commission plus up to 100 claim bonus. Okay, 100% claim bonus. Refer your friends and everyone else to Moon Cash and receive a massive 25 lifetime commission on all the faucet claims. All commissions payment are paid instantly through your coinpart account. Okay, so this is your coinpart. You can withdraw all of your earning on this site from every moon faucet. Okay, so this is your referral links. You can share with your friends, followers, colleagues, anything you, wherever you want. Okay, on your every social media today you have your referral bonus. You can also raising question. Okay, so just close it. And the last one is how to work on it. Okay, how to work on it. Just simply click on this claim. Guys, you must wait every 5 minutes between claim, and you can also check mark this option alert me when it's time to claim. Okay, so just click on claim now and simply again click on this I'm not a robot and just click this claim button, and your claim reward will be add in your main balance, that is coin pot balance. Okay, so you can see this balance 0.00021445. okay, so if I reload this, your balance is shown here. Bitcoin Cash 0.0021 445 0.000215. Okay, so you can withdraw your earnings from this side, all of your moon faucets. So thank you guys, thank you so much for having on my video, liking me, sharing me, and please guys just give me your feedback in comment section. I will be answered instantly. Okay, thank you so much, have a good day, bye bye.